The present perfect continuous tense is a versatile grammatical structure in English that is widely used in everyday language, including in social media conversations. This tense is often used to talk about actions or situations that started in the past and are still ongoing or have just been completed, with a focus on the duration or progress of the action. In the age of social media, where people constantly share updates about their lives, the present perfect continuous tense is commonly used to convey ongoing activities, experiences, or moments. Whether it's posting about what they have been doing recently or sharing updates on a continuous event, social media users often rely on this tense to give a sense of continuity to their posts. For example, a social media post might say, "I've been studying for hours, and I still have so much more to cover." In this sentence, the speaker is using the present perfect continuous tense to convey the ongoing action of studying. Another example could be, "I've been waiting for this concert for months, and it's finally happening tonight." Here, the speaker is using the tense to talk about the anticipation and excitement they have been experiencing leading up to the concert. Additionally, the present perfect continuous tense is also used to talk about trends or changes that have been happening over a period of time. For instance, a post might read, "I've been noticing more people taking up yoga during the pandemic." This sentence highlights the ongoing trend of people starting to practice yoga during the pandemic. Furthermore, social media users often use the present perfect continuous tense to share updates on their personal growth or achievements. For instance, "I've been working on my cooking skills and I can finally bake a perfect cake." This type of post showcases the speaker's progress in learning how to bake.